Hello, Chris Greene here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today, we're in San Antonio, but what we're talking about is, when premium equals risk. And what we're really talking about is flood insurance renewals. One of the big questions we get from customers is like, hey, my renewal went up 30%. Does that mean my flood risk went up 30%? Not necessarily. You could be dealing with a company that is just dealing with flood rate increases across the country. Or you could be dealing with a company that does see the increase in risk. So the increase in risk could be going up. You could also have a national flood insurance program policy where it's adjusting itself to the proper rate over time, like a newly mapped rate that adjusts year over year. Or you could just be dealing generally with the FEMA rate increase of about 10% on traditional properties as they've done the last couple of years. So when you get these rates, don't automatically think that your flood risk has skyrocketed, because that may not be the case. Now, it could be the case if areas around you have flooded, but not necessarily. That's why it's always important to shop these at renewal. For example, we have a client's policy that renewed at about $1,000 a year. However, at the renewal, we're also to find them an option that was closer to the $600 mark. Save them about 30 to 35% because each company on the private side looks at the risk differently. So these are important things to remember when you have a flood insurance policy, when your policy is renewing. When you have buildings like this that sit low to the ground and might have water, it's constantly around them. So if you've got questions about things like this, then make sure to click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com, where we can look at all these things for you and we put our daily flood education videos. Remember, we've got an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.